What is up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new, very exciting episode from Backyard Boys. I am super pumped, and I'll tell you guys here in a little bit why. If you guys are new to this channel, lightly tap the subscribe button. If you guys do enjoy my content, please smash that like button. It does help with the analytics. It helps me create better content for you guys. So if you guys like my content, smash that like button. In this episode, we are going to be painting the GTR. It's giving me these kind of feelings that it's kind of sad that the build is coming to an end, but at the exact same time, I'm beyond happy that the car is at this point right now where we are ready for paint. Ready for paint means that the car passed alignment, the car runs and drives, the car, basically all the rough, hard work with the vehicle is done. Now it's time to paint and assemble. Woo! I am beyond happy. You guys don't even know what's going through. It's been a rough, tough build and it's been a long one, but we're here, and this is what I live for, you know, the moments where you kind of can tap yourself on the back. But guys, before we go to the paint shop, I did want to explain a little bit about why the M2 is here, I guess, and the C63 AMG is here. So I have a video idea in my head that I want to create, and go ahead and comment down below if you guys would want to see a video. I'm going to shortly explain what this video idea is about. So I do want to run a giveaway on my channel, and these two vehicles right here are the ones that went extremely viral. The M2 is basically the vehicle that built my channel, and that's why it's here with me right now, and it has a lot of sentimental value. Why is the vehicle here with me right now? Like, how did I get it back to my shop? That can be explained in the next video if you guys are interested in it. And I also want you guys to comment which one should we give away if we actually do end up running a giveaway, where I am very confident that I do want to run a giveaway. It's just there's a lot of things in my personal life that are kind of postponing this. You know, it's gonna be tough. Like running a giveaway, you have all these legal things. You gotta inventory merge, you gotta have more people on board, that way the packages are not late, that way we got good customer service and all that stuff. So there's a lot of things that are getting worked on in the background while you guys are enjoying these videos. So let me know what car you guys would want to win and why, and if I should even run a giveaway. I don't know, I do want to do it. It's gonna be so awesome to just either deliver a car to someone or fly someone out here and then just ship the car back with him. This thing here has had 17,000 miles when I bought it, currently at 34,000. Literally no problems, tuned, no check engine lights, nothing. The car is just, it's so fun to drive. I just drove it the other day. Oh my goodness, dude. Anyways, let's go ahead to the paint shop and I'll explain more in the second video. Well, in a video regarding those two vehicles, if you guys want a video on that. Let's go. What is up, guys? It is the next day here and we are back from the paint shop. The car looks amazing. I apologize for one thing. We didn't get the best footage. The cameraman was not there and we had basically random people there taking shots from iPhone. I just kind of told them take steady shots, whatever. We got the amount of footage that we got. I apologize if it's not all the best, but I'm gonna give you guys a quick update. Corey came out this morning from Emerald Auto City Glass or Emerald Auto Glass and installed our, I'm not sure if I'm saying his business name right, but anyways, you guys saw it earlier. I'm gonna leave his link down below. If you guys are in this area, I would say North Seattle, probably North Seattle all the way up to south it's called Mount Vernon area. I don't know, just this stretch here, Marysville, Everett, Linwood, hit him up. He does very good prices and very good quality. We got the rear glass in, we got the quarter glass in. It's looking pretty, everything's looking nice. The paint match on the car is pretty good. We do have a little bit over here that I'm just kind of iffy about, but let me tell you guys one thing. So if you look here very carefully, you can see that this bumper right on this edge has been painted before, and you can see that this color is brighter than this color. It's very, very hard to tell, but that's one thing. But going around the vehicle, besides this area here, we may respray the quarter panel, or we may do the exact same thing here and spot in this bumper just to get a perfect match. Up here it matches pretty good, so come take a look here. This trunk is dirty, but it does match pretty good. Like, that's pretty solid for a pearl white butt match. That's pretty solid. Quarter panel got painted. All the bodywork on it looks super. Door here cut in, everything is done. Fender, hood, front bumper, all that stuff is done. Take a quick look. It looks amazing. It's crazy. Like, it just blows my mind, man. This car is almost done. Gaps are not set. Don't say anything about gaps. I just slapped everything together, just let the car cure up a little bit. And then we got this side that's painted as well. So you guys remember I repaired the door. The door looks absolutely stunning. There's nothing there whatsoever. The gap on the door and fender is good. It's just when I was repairing it, I pushed the fender in. That way when I'm blocking it, I won't be hitting the edge of the fender. So I'm gonna unscrew these two bolts and push the fender back out. And the gap here should be beautiful. The gaps here are roughly set. Besides that, the blend panel, the door and quarter panel is just perfect. You cannot see anything. It looks beautiful all the way through. Right now what we're gonna do is go ahead and start assembling the vehicle. First thing we gotta do is put the two doors together, put the door panels on, get the interior of the car complete, and then I guess we can start from the rear. Slap on the rear bumper, put in the gas tank lid, all the stuff inside there, and just continue our way from the back all the way to the front of the vehicle, set gaps. Let's get right to it. Little tip of the day: before you guys fully assemble a door panel, make sure everything works. Make sure window goes all the way up, doesn't make no funny noises, doesn't touch no cables or anything like that. Make sure door lock works, window open, make sure don't get locked out of the car. This door works, and this one here, we're good to go. So we are swapping the harness here because I don't like risking things, meaning like maybe this door, the original door in the car, has some kind of a door light, has some kind of a extra, you know, heated mirror, something different, a Bose speaker, and then the harness is just different, doesn't have that one wire. So 95% of the time, if I have the original door, I do swap the harness over as long as it's not damaged, you know, everything's looking good. I swap it over to the new door that we get. So that's what we're doing now. We're gonna put it in, and then after that, start assembling the rest of the door panel and all that stuff. Let's get it. Alrighty guys, I'm gonna go ahead and leave you guys off right over here, and the reason for that is because we kind of mixed a little bit of the paint episode and a little bit of the assembly episode into one. We usually get a paint episode out and then an assembly episode, but since the paint part of the video was kind of short, we decided to toss on the door panels and just assemble the interior a little bit. We cannot put this door panel on just yet because I have a little hiccup. So this piece here, I thought it was good on the original door, but there's a fat scratch in it. So we're gonna go ahead and have to have this one painted. I'm gonna drop that off at the paint shop, get that painted. So in the next episode, we should be able to get that on the vehicle and assemble, basically finish off the whole entire interior. Another thing is, I'm curious on how the color will match right here. I hope it will match, and we'll see. It's somewhere over there. I gotta clean it up. It had the sticky tape because of the window was taped off from the auction, so it's all in the sticky tape stuff. I gotta get all that residue off and stuff like that. But besides that, take a nice good step back and take a look at the whole car. It is painted. It kind of looks funny right now with like no lips, no hood inserts or anything like that, but the paintwork turned out good. We got everything sealed off. It should be pretty darn solid. Sealed off meaning like the whole front end was covered in sealer, base, and then this part was actually kind of tricky because we had to paint this twice. So I'm pretty sure one of the guys got some footage of this, but you tape off inside there, you paint this gray, and then you peel that like fine line tape, and then you paint the outside white, and then what you do is clear coat everything. That way it gives you this kind of finish. I mean, you don't really see it often on cars. This is more like on Subaru. I've seen it, rear bumpers have that, stuff like that. But then again, it is a Nissan. It's not usually like a more expensive or more quality brand would have like an insert piece. For example, like the Mercedes, the bumper goes blue, you know, there's no like taping off and then all the pieces get clicked into it. But guys, that is it. I'm super pumped, super excited. In the next episode, we're gonna assemble this beast, and it should be basically just about finished. There's a couple of knickknacks that we need to touch up and finish off. Like we needed to change a stabilizer link on this side, or on the other side we have that part. So I'm gonna do all these little things as well in the episode, make sure everything's nice and clean. We need to put a rocker panel, we need to fix this one up, heat it up a little bit, form it back, and click it into a spot. But guys, enough talking from my side. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If you guys do enjoy my content, smash that like button. If you guys want to support, I do have a merch link down below. With all that being said, you guys have a good one. Don't forget to follow my Instagram at BYBTim. Peace out.